Power outages are annoying, but losing your work or damaging your devices, that's expensive. Today, I've got the top 5 UPS battery backups for 2025 that'll protect your tech, your time, and your peace of mind. Let's get right into it. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. APC UPS Battery Replacement. Need to replace your APC UPS battery without buying a whole new unit? This APC RBC124 is the go-to replacement battery designed specifically for high-end APC models like BR1500G, BR1300G, BX1500M, SMC 1000-2U, and more. Pros: genuine APC replacement ensures full compatibility and performance. Easy hot swap installation, no downtime. Long-lasting sealed lead-acid technology. What users say: customers love how this battery brings older APC units back to life with full runtime and reliability. Number 2. APC UPS Battery Backup with USB. If you're looking for a compact and smart UPS for home or small office use, the B600M1 hits the sweet spot. With 600 VA/330W capacity, this model includes 7 outlets and a dedicated USB charging port. Pros: perfect for routers, modems, and small workstations. USB port is a lifesaver for phone charging during blackouts. Automatic voltage regulation adds extra protection. What users say: great for anyone working from home, it keeps internet and essentials running during outages. Number 3. SK Compact UPS. SK brings us a compact yet powerful unit. With 425 VA/240W, it's ideal for entry-level setups or protecting single devices like a monitor, router, or gaming console. Pros: super compact and space-saving. Built-in surge protection. Affordable but still reliable for light use. What users say: customers are surprised by its performance for the price, especially for basic home office or gaming setups. Number 4. CyberPower CP550 SLG. This is a trusted name in the UPS game. With 550 VA/330W power and 8 outlets, the CP550 SLG is a strong all-rounder for home and small business needs. Pros: LED indicator and audible alarms for real-time monitoring. Widely compatible with PCs, DVRs, and more. Energy-efficient design helps save power. What users say: reliable backup during storms and outages. CyberPower earns top marks for consistency. Number 5. CyberPower ST425. Last but not least, the ST425 is the most compact option in today's lineup. At 425 VA/260W, it's great for minimalist users who need essential backup without bulk. Pros: lightweight and portable. Ideal for modems, phones, and backup lights. Surge and spike protection built in. What users say: perfect for backup essentials. Many reviewers say it's a set-it-and-forget-it device that just works. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. There you have it, the top 5 UPS battery backups of 2025. Whether you're a gamer, a remote worker, or just hate losing power at the worst times, these picks will keep you protected. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you don't miss future tech reviews. Stay powered up, and I'll see you in the next one.